So we're working on the 2011 Chevy Cruze. We're working on this driver side transmission seal. As you can see, there's a little bit of leak seeping through the boot. There's still some oil down here. It's been leaking. It looks good. Looks nice and flush, nice and mounted, but it is leaking. So as you see, we're just trying to gain access to the seal. They don't want to waste a whole lot of time talking here, but you definitely want to invest on one of these seal pullers. It makes the job a lot more easier. As you can see, just slid right out. So this is what our seal looks like. Like I said, it looks in really good condition. I just don't know as to why it started leaking. So I mean, if you have the transmission out, as we changed the transmission on this Chevy Cruze, I should have just swapped out these seals, but like I said, they look in really good condition. I didn't know until we started driving it, but we fix it as we go. So let me get that part. So we went to AutoZone. We picked up this Duralast part. This is the part number. It is 710709. That is our part number that we're going to use for this 2011 Chevy Cruze 1.8 liter, so non-turbo automatic transmission. I believe it's the 6T40 is the model of it. So this is looking a little bit better. I don't know what that's supposed to do. It looks like a little bit of lubricant on there already, just to slide in. Whatever oil's on here, go ahead, rub it all the way around, and then rub some around the seal. Super sorry about that, guys. But you guys are definitely in the way of finishing this job in 10 minutes. I just paused the video a little bit so I can get some light for you guys. But other than that, it's pretty much live time. But let's continue, because like I said, I don't want to waste my time talking here. I could chase it in with my hand a little bit. Just get it going. There we go. Let me spray some lube. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see if I can get away with that camera angle for you guys. I'm gonna use my metal mallet here. Just feeling it out. Alright, metal mallet used. A couple of licks. That thing looks pretty flush to me now. That's alright, that looks in. And let's go ahead and put in that axle. So I'll fast forward through this. It's pretty much reverse order, guys, so let's go ahead and knock that out. I'm going to back you guys up here. If you guys like the work that I did here with this seal replacement, please be sure to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate the support. Until then, guys, take care.